how to fix the keyboard not working on your iPhone 8 Plus. Let's go through the best solutions step by step. First, open the Settings app and tap Bluetooth. Make sure your iPhone isn't connected to an external keyboard. If you see one connected, disconnect it and then try typing again. Next, check whether the problem happens in only one app or in every app. Open Notes or Messages and test the keyboard there. If it only happens in one app, update or reinstall that app. If the keyboard isn't working anywhere, open Settings, tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset, and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode if prompted. This removes learned words but doesn't delete your personal data. After that, go back to General. Tap Keyboard. Again, tap Keyboards. Remove any third-party keyboards you don't need. Simply tap Edit from top right corner of screen, then tap red minus button, and tap Delete. You can add new keyboard to add them again. For testing, keep only the English keyboard and the emoji keyboard. Now perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, check for a software update by going to Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix a keyboard not working, frozen, or not showing on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone 8 Plus tutorials.